If you're a business involved in international transactions, one of your top priorities should be getting the best foreign exchange rates. In this video, I'll be showing you how the mid-market rate, also known as interbank exchange rate, works, why it matters for your margins, and the exact steps to lock better effects on your transfers. I'll be keeping it simple, practical, and focused on what actually moves the needle. And if you want the streamlined path, you can open a free Airwallex Explorer account with a link in the description below this video, and then upgrade your plan as you scale. So what is the mid-market rate? Essentially, it's the midpoint between the buy and sell prices in the currency market at a given moment. It moves all day, so your real cost depends on timing and the markup your provider adds. For businesses, securing favorable forex rates has a direct impact on profits. It can mean lower costs for materials sourced from abroad, greater returns on international investments, and higher competitiveness in the global market. By seeking out the best forex rate, businesses receive the best value for their transactions. Given the fluctuating nature of mid-market rates, it is essential to deploy strategies to secure the most advantageous rates. Here are some core tactics that save real money when it comes to FX. First of all, we've got avoid forced effects by collecting and paying in the same currency. If you earn euro and pay suppliers in euro, do not convert to USD in between. Second, you can use a multi-currency account to hold funds until rates are favorable. Convert when it suits you, not when your bank forces it. Third, we've got track and set alerts for target rates and then convert when your level hits. Fourth is to use rate locking tools to fix an execution rate for a short window when you need certainty on a quote or payout. And then you want to watch out for hidden markups. If the offered rate looks round and no spread is shown, you want to assume a heavy margin. And lastly, avoid dynamic currency conversion at checkout. Pay in the merchant's currency, not a converted total at a poor rate. Here is how you can take control of FX with Airwallex. With an Airwallex global account, your business can collect, hold, and send money in multiple currencies. That means you can avoid unnecessary currency conversions and hedge against forex risk. When you do want to exchange currencies, Airwallex also gives businesses access to the mid-market rate, making currency exchange more cost efficient. And this is what it looks like in practice. You want to open global accounts in the currencies that you actually use. Receive funds locally, for example USD, Euro, GBP, or AUD, without auto-converting. After that, you set a funding policy, so pay out from the same currency balance first, only convert if you must. Third, you monitor rates in wallet, as you can add alerts on your key pairs, for example USD to Euro, and then you lock your preferred rates. You can use Airwallex's quotes feature to fix foreign exchange or FX rates for a certain period of time, even if market rates fluctuate. These tools provide a level of protection against unfavorable rate swings, which is particularly useful for commercial transactions such as in-travel booking processes or marketplace platforms. Next, we have the time-large conversions, as you can split into tranches and execute near your alert levels to hedge the FX rate fluctuation risks if you don't lock the rate. And finally, reconcile. You can sync to Xero, QuickBooks, or NetSuite so FX gains or losses are posted cleanly. In conclusion, your FX cost drops when you avoid forced conversions, hold balances in multiple currencies, and execute conversions only at your levels. If you want tools that make this easy, go ahead and start with the free Airwallex Explorer plan by using the link in the description below this video, and then upgrade as your volumes grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we're going to make relating to this one.